the church is God's idea. Ito po'y idea ng Diyos. Ito'y nasa puso ng Panginoon. Ito'y pinalano ng Diyos sa atin na magkaroon po ng tinatawag na iglesia. Ito po ay hindi inisip po ng isang pastor. Hindi po ito inisip ng kung sino mang tao. Ito po ay inisip ng Diyos. And the church that you are connected to is God's idea for your life. Do you want miracles in your spiritual walk? It is given to the church already. Kung gusto mo ng kalakasan, dumalo ka sa gawain ng Diyos. Gusto mo ng pagbabago, be connected to the church. That is why He built His church, that we can be connected to. Kaya po may simbahan upang tayo maging konektado sa Kanya. And I want you to remember this, my friend. Ayaw ng Diyos na mag-fail ka. God doesn't want you to suffer. God doesn't want you to be in depression. God doesn't want you to get sick. God doesn't want you to be poor. That is why He paid the price at the cross of Calvary to offer up His body for the payment of our salvation. It is for the benefit of the church.